Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Today we're making keema aloo. For this recipe you will need just about 2 pounds of ground beef. Mine was in freezer, so I defrosted in the microwave, that's why it's a little brown. 2 to 3 potatoes, 1 regular size onion, 2 tomatoes, 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. For spices, 1 tablespoon of red chilies, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric, salt according to your taste, and some garam masala, cilantro for garnish, and 1.5 cup of water. We will also need of oil, of course, 1/3 cup, just about. Just put half of it in the beginning, and I'm just gonna add the washed beef. I washed it and dried it, and I'm just gonna put it in the pot, and I'm just gonna add rest of the ingredient together. This is also very simple and easy recipe to make, and very quick, especially for those ladies that work full-time and have kids. I can relate because my schedule is very hectic, so when I come home I want something quick and easy. So you just mix everything in there, all the cut up vegetables and then the spices. Mix in well, make sure everything is coated with each other. It should look like this. You're just gonna add 1 cup of water and let it simmer for just about on medium heat for 20 to 25 minutes until you see the water dried up. It should look like this. When you see the oil rised up on the beef, then you should add the potatoes. Guys, you can also add different vegetable. If you don't like potatoes, you can add green peas. That also tastes really good with the ground beef. Mix it in well. After you mixed in the potatoes, cook for another 15 minutes. Add the half cup of water at this point, so the potato have something to cook in. It needs liquid, and you just put it on medium heat. Let the potato cook until they get tender and soft. It should look like this. After 15 minutes you'll see the water, it's almost dried up, and the oil is all rised up on the side. My family loves this recipe. It's so easy to make. Guys, I will definitely put the measurement down in the description. I'm just gonna garnish it with some cilantro. You can also put some green chili. Guys, do try this recipe. Let me know how it turned out to be. I usually serve this with white rice, but you can also serve it with naan or fresh roti. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.